Hello, everybody. Well, we're here at the Cumbres and Toltec Railway. We're getting ready to board the train. We're excited, kind of walking around checking everything out, but it's definitely an old-fashioned train, so
Yeah.
this is going to be an exciting ride. So stick with us. We're going to have more video for you coming up. Here she is, engine 489. She was built by Baldwin in Philadelphia back in 1925 for the Denver and Rio Grande Western Railroad. It's a steam engine that runs on oil and coal and is 101 years old. She's about to pull us over a 10,015-foot pass. It takes you back to a day when time seemed to move slower. That may be why the video seems to be moving faster for us now.
This is a point-to-point railroad, which means that the 64-mile track is too far to run round trip in a single day. So you take the train in one direction, which is by steam, and return to your starting depot by bus. You can take the bus in the morning before the train ride, or do what we did, take it at the end of the day. We chose to ride in the Parlor Observation Car at the rear of the train. It's an adult-only car and has an observation platform off the back, which was great for taking pictures, video, and getting a full view of the ride.
This is the Antonito station. You can pick up your tickets there before the ride, and it also has a nice gift shop. Okay, that's the whistle. All aboard! Kimberly's leading the way. Hello, Kimberly. Alright, so now we get our first view of inside the car. Let's see here. Get out of the way a little bit. There we go. Ooh, donuts. And our tickets.
And we're off for our ride for the day. They blow the horn for several different reasons throughout the trip, and each one has a different pattern. This one is because we're crossing a road, but they can also alert you when it's time to get on board, or even when you're reaching another station. Did I mention that David and I kissed here? We did. Every car in the train has a concierge, and our concierge, Darlene, was very helpful in serving up snacks and drinks, giving us history lessons, and then also pointing out sites of interest along the track so that we were sure to enjoy the whole entire route and know what we were looking at.
Thank you. There's no sneaking on this train. The conductor will check your tickets, just like back in the old days. I hope everybody has their tickets. Don't want to see anybody get kicked off. You know, sometimes it's just nice to listen to the train roll over the tracks. You can do that for a little bit. It's almost hypnotizing. Don't worry if you aren't in the observation car with the outdoor platform. There's an open car that all can enjoy further forward in the train.
There's just so much that we could tell you about this trip, and so much video footage that we could play out, but I think it's better if you just make a plan to experience this yourself. And don't worry if you get hungry along the way. The train stops midway at Osier, Colorado, which is an old town site at about 9,637 feet. It's about halfway through the trip, and this is where they serve the included buffet lunch. We had the choice of turkey or meatloaf. Both were delicious, as were the desserts, and the staff was wonderful, friendly, efficient, and they made sure we had plenty to eat and drink.
So now as we get higher in elevation, you can start seeing more trees. And rumor has it you might even see Bigfoot. if you're lucky. I think we got a glimpse right up here, just a little bit farther down the track. Oh yeah, oh. Well, maybe medium-sized foot.
Oh my goodness, David. Let's get back to the train now. Once you come up the canyon there with all the beautiful trees, you suddenly come into an open meadow. And this is an area where ranchers actually pay the landowners to bring their cattle up here for grazing in the summer months. It was beautiful, open land, mamas and babies running around, just beautiful. While David was thinking of having a steak for dinner, I was able to just enjoy that view. It's something we just don't get to see back home, so really enjoyed the beauty of it. That's right, Mama. Keep that little calf in the herd. Get back over there. Hurry, hurry. Coming up now, because we've gone through the switchback, you're able to see the fire car, which follows along behind the entire route, making sure that there aren't any embers that kick off to the side and cause a fire.
Sadly, our trip came to an end in Chama, New Mexico. In fact, the train starts in Chama every other day, so you can go either direction if that's what you want to do. And here's our bus to take us back to Antonito. It's a comfortable 1-hour ride with great views too. So now as we drive back to our hotel, we can think back on what a great day it was.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed our video of the Cumbres and Toltec train and the adventure that we had today. We would love to share this experience with you further by booking a trip for you. Lots of things you can do around the area, not just the train itself, but Durango, if you're on one side of the track, or Pagosa Springs, and then on the other side, of course, we have Taos and everything that's around the Taos area. So give us a jingle. We'll help you find a trip.